Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I will guide you on how to add TONCOIN to MetaMask wallet. So if you also want to add TONCOIN to MetaMask wallet, this video is just for you. Follow these steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is open MetaMask in browser, or you can also open MetaMask application. Make sure you're in the Ethereum mainnet mode. If you're not in this mode, simply click on this option. Now select Ethereum mainnet. Scroll down. Now here you can see the option for import tokens. All you have to do is click on it. Now this kind of pop-up will appear. Now what you have to do is go to new tab. Click on the search bar and search for coinmarketcap.com. Press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now you'll be able to see a search bar over here. Click on it. Now search for TONCOIN. You can see over here TONCOIN will appear. All you have to do is click on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can find the details about TONCOIN over here. You can see several informations. Now scroll down. Under the contracts, you'll be able to see the contract address over here. If you hover over the more option, you can see several options like BNB and TON. Now what you have to do is copy the contract address. Simply click on the copy icon. You can see over here it is copied. Now go back to MetaMask. Now in the search bar, you'll have to paste the contract address. Simply press Ctrl V and it will be pasted. Now you can see the option for wrap TONCOIN over here. All you have to do is click on it. Now click on the option Next. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see two options over here, back and import. All you have to do is click on the import option. Now you can see over here wrapped TONCOIN has been imported. So that is how you add TONCOIN to MetaMask. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.